Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Right now I'm going to show you how to use the software MKT Insta so you can save your time and help your account grow without any hard work. So this software will help you to manage thousands of Instagram accounts. You can add new accounts into the software right here. As you can see, I'm having about 900 accounts. On your left hand side right here are all the features of the software. You can add proxy to each Instagram account, so the platform won't be able to scan. You can interact with other accounts with all the profiles you put in. You can send messages in bulk. You can auto post Instagram stories, reels. You can even see the history of posting. Here is the seeding function where you can interact with a post of a reels or anything you want. You can like the articles. You can even comment and follow the owner of that articles. In the scanning function, you can scan almost anything on the Instagram platform. You can scan an account, an article. Even if that account is set to private, you can still see what they are doing. You can still see all their posts or their story, and you can even change account information and security information for thousands of your Instagram account with just one click. You can change full name, username, avatar, bio, everything. Change email, password with just one click right here and click begin. The software will run automatically. Everything is automated and it will do all the hard work for you. You just have to wait and see the result.